Hey friends, today we're talking about the Cadillac SRX, one of the coolest crossovers on the market. If you drive one of these and you find that it's starting to stall or hesitate or run rough, you may just have a dirty throttle body. Now this is an easy fix. Just remove the air duct that connects that throttle body to your air cleaner and start the engine. Then what you want to do is spray some cleaner right at that throttle bore, right at that butterfly valve while the engine's running. The engine will suck that cleaner in, and in the process it'll clean that butterfly valve and it'll clean that throttle bore and allow air to move more freely through your engine. So the product you can use is throttle body and air intake cleaner. Amazon has some of this stuff available for a reasonable price. I put a link down in the description if you're interested. So once you get that done and you get your throttle body air duct reattached, then you want to go after your mass airflow sensor and clean that. That's also an easy fix. It's just held in by 2 screws to your air cleaner box. Take the screws out, pull this mass airflow sensor out, and then spray it down with some cleaner. Now the cleaner you want to use for that is, oddly enough, called mass airflow sensor cleaner. And Gum Out makes a good mass airflow sensor cleaner, also available on Amazon. What you want to do is, while you've got this sensor in your hand, is spray it down real good with this mass airflow sensor cleaner and focus on the little sensing element that's depicted by the green arrow there. When that little sensor gets dirty and contaminated, it loses its sensitivity. And then the calculations that the computer makes for fuel delivery are wrong, and that causes these drivability problems. So once you're done doing that, your last step will be to clean your fuel injectors, and that's the simplest step. Get yourself some of this Techron fuel injector cleaner made by Chevron, an excellent product, also available on Amazon. Just dump that into the gas tank and drive the car. And while you drive that tank full of gas with the cleaner in it, your injectors are going to get cleaned as you drive. Now, all these cleaning processes can sometimes generate trouble codes and turn your check engine light on. Not to worry. You can get yourself one of these little pocket scanners for less than $40 on Amazon. This one's called the Autel code scanner, and you can use that to clear the codes out and turn off your check engine light. It's a handy little device just to keep in your glove box. If you ever see your check engine light come on again during the course of driving your car, you can just pull that out and check the code yourself. You don't have to go to the shop. So let you get your Cadillac SRX running good again. These are some pretty sweet rides. They got a lot of power and they look very cool. And if they're not running right, they're not as much fun. So these are 3 steps that you can do to your vehicle right there in your own driveway to help it get running good again. And you don't have to take it to the shop and pay diagnostic fees and labor time. You can do it yourself and you can feel good about it. So thanks for tuning into the channel. Hope you have a great day.